Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I'm showing you how to make a really light summer scarf. This time not in a loop, so we're doing a regular scarf this time. And it's out of Woolly Hugs Bandy color with a wonderful color gradient. So you see here different shades of pink, a bit of golden shade, as well as a bit of olive green in here. It's for 6 to 6.5 millimeter needles, and I will be using my 6 millimeter needle as well. So for the whole scarf, I used up one spool, so that's 100 grams, 100% cotton, and the length is 210 meters. So let's start. I'll start with our thin, light summer scarf. So we will be doing a formula this time, so any number you want times 4 plus 2. So I wanted to do 6 times 4 plus 2, which is 26 chains total. There we go, that's the width. Feel free to do this as you like. You can do it wider or you can do it this way, but yeah, I'll stick to the 26 chains. Okay, so let's continue with our little pattern. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains down we count and go into the 7th. So 3 we leave out and 3 more we need for the height, and then we do a treble. A chain, and into the same spot we do another treble. The chains are going to be the spots that we go through in the next row, so it's super easy to find it, you'll see. But anyway, let's leave 3 out. Here, and do again a treble, a chain, and a treble. Again, leave 3 out and repeat. And finish till the end. Here we are, now we have 3 chains left over, so in here goes our last treble. Three chains for the height and go back now, and now the same method, but we will not be counting what to skip, but we will just go through the chains of the last row and do the treble chain to treble structure. And again, treble, chain, and 2 trebles, and move on to the next section. Chain and 2 more trebles. So we always have the same elements that keep expanding. So you see these almost triangle shapes or shell shapes growing out of the bottom row. So it's super easy to do, and as you can see, you get pretty fast results, which is always great for beginners. You can really, in a matter of minutes, see what you're doing and how it's turning out. So yeah, it's great. Always treble, chain, and 2 trebles. Now let's do some chains to bridge over to the next row and do 3 for the height and just continue. So it's always super easy to find where to go through, only the first row is a bit tricky and then you'll be fine after that. Treble, chain, and 2 trebles. And now I'll just continue in the same manner till I have a bigger piece with the same visual effect, and then I'll show you what I've got. Five rows later, you see our pattern even more clearly. I think it looks super nice. The colors are also really great. And you see we started with some orange golden shade, then the pink came in and switched to the olive green, and now I'll do some more and get back to you then. So here is the end of my spool. So we've used up our 100 grams, and since I don't have enough for a new row, I'll now cut it off and then weave the end and beginning in. The cool thing is that out of the one spool you get about 160 centimeters of length, and when you stretch it, it gets even longer since it is a stretchy fabric that we are using for today. I'll also show you a bit of the color gradient so that you can see all the colors and how they turned out. But all in all, this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think. If you maybe have ideas for future projects or maybe some questions as well, feel free to post those below the video. You can also shoot us a thumbs up, that way we know we did a good job. And you can always subscribe to our channel and stay updated with everything new that we post, as well as access the stuff we already posted. So thanks for watching DIY Ideas. I'll see you next time. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!